have this message, thank you for using Delta. We have all scripts edited successfully. Hello YouTube and welcome to my brand new review. In this review I will show you how I got Delta Executor for Roblox absolutely free, safe and online, guys. So let's get started. Go to the Google or any browser you have and navigate to this website called AppLoop, then type in search Delta Executor and you will find the online tool. Click there, guys, and now we'll have to enter our Roblox user ID. So if you don't know how to find it, just click here, or let me just show you. So open your official profile on Roblox and just copy profile link on your browser, and let's get back to the R tool. Then you have paste button and automatically you will get your Roblox user ID. So let me click continue, guys, and let's see. As you can see, user found. So the next step is to select on button and select script that you want to add to your account, guys. So I will select these 5 scripts. Okay, let me click continue and let's see, does it actually work? So guys, if you want to follow the latest tutorial for Delta Executor, make sure to subscribe to my channel. I record more of these and review more websites. For now, this AppLoop is an amazing website for this. AP connected, nice. Just scroll down and click I'm not a robot to verify yourself. Perfect, guys, and now we're on the manual verification step, the last one, the most important step. So what we need to do here, guys, we need to download 2 free games or apps or complete those simple questionnaire. It's your choice. Just click here on free, click go, and it will start the loading from the official publisher of the app. Are downloaded, complete the task. Below each task you have description of what you have to do. So guys, I will download Travel Town and TikTok, so I'll be back after I complete these 2 tasks.
A few minutes later.
Okay guys, I have just completed this task and this task, and I got this message: you completed 2 tasks successfully along these redirecting tags, guys. I'm wait about 1 minute and nothing happened. So if you have this message, just wait for this redirecting. Okay, and let's see. Nice, guys, verification successful. Thanks for passing the bot check. Delta Executor is important to your account, guys. I'm so excited to test this. Okay, so let me open the game and let's test, does it actually work? So let me play this escape. Okay guys, now I'm in the game and let me show you. As you can see, we have that panel and we have this message: thank you for using Delta. We have all scripts edited successfully. Just click execute and wait for the magic. So that's pretty much it for this review. Thank you for watching and see you in the next. Bye.